In this video, I'll show you how you can completely uninstall Steam from your PC. Now the first step is you want to come here and you want to search for File Explorer. In here we want to find the folder where we have Steam installed. So just search for Steam, right click Open File Location, and then right click again and Open File Location. This will take you to the Steam folder. And then what you want to do is you want to just go to the drive. So in this one it's Steam, the C drive I have Steam on. Then you want to delete the Steam folder, and then you want to open up Program Files 86 and see if you have Steam in here. If you have it in here, you want to delete it in here from as well. And also on the Program Files, you want to see if you have it in here. If you have it, you want to delete it as well. So delete this folder, and once you've deleted that folder, you want to come here and search for Apps and Features, and then search for Steam right here. Click here and uninstall. And after you've done both of those two things, you just want to restart your PC, and then Steam is completely uninstalled. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton.